Okay, so I've got the guitar down on the bench. Now I'm just going to measure using a long steel rule from the inside of that nut. Now I'm lining it up with the inlays that run down the center to the middle of the 12 fret wire right here. And as you can see, that is pretty much bang on 12.75, which we asked for. So from there, I would then measure from here to go down an additional 12.75, which would be here. I'd make a rough mark, and then I would put some tape on, and then I would measure again more precisely. Okay, so we'll do that now. Again, just lining the ruler up with the center of those inlays, going down to 12.75. As we said, that just gives us a rough mark. I'll then apply some masking tape to that area so we can mark more precisely.